Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Beauty in the World. Don't forget to subscribe my channels. Now the pictures of Korean beauty. The quotes about change. Change something by even the smallest percentage and your outcomes will be different. There will always be change, shift and UPS and downs. If there are things in your life you want to change, you don't change them from the outside in. You change them from the inside out. If someone is not willing to make a change in the way they think, then they have to know change and changing their life. If you know what you want to achieve in life, then you are more inspired to change for the better. Whatever it is you're lacking in your life, there is no better way to change that than to thank God for what you already have, no matter how small it may be, and watch what God does with it. The fact that we can and do change our mind and our opinion indicates that we can also change our perceptions and the way we feel about things. Adapting does not mean permanent change. It just means making small, quick adjustment. Active things in engage the gears of most powerful tools there is for positive change, and that tool is your mind. Change your perception of things and how you react to various situations, and your jealousy will subside. There are limits to what we can or should do to please another. We are not asking for full and character change. We are asking for modification that will smooth out our frustrations with each others. Even those who are happy with their result in previous years, many would still like something new or a change in something in this coming year. You must take personal responsibility. You cannot change the circumstances, the session, or the wind, but you can change yourself. That is something you have change of. We are constantly changing, but you decide how to change. Who you are isn't something you were forced to be. Change usually comes out of dissatisfaction, but is more effective when you link it to desire. Somewhere along the line, the game changed. We now live in an age of constant connection and information overhead. Put yourself on your priority list. Things will change for the better. We read how we read, and why we read change how we think change, that are connecting now at the faster pace. Change might not be fast and it isn't always easy, but with the time and effort, almost any habit can be reshaped. Identify the routine experiment with reward, isolate the cue and have a plan. There's nothing you can do to change the past, but forgiven can help free you from its power over you. So, it is a person change on the inside. Their external would must be also change. Disrepute is a new order. The only constant is change. Let's consider some of the important national financial transmissions that have taken place and how we must transform to face this change. It is often only when everything falls apart that we are prepared. Pain is an agent of change. This is hard concept to understand, but we know that if everything is going according to the plan and we are connected, there is no impact to change anything. Truly changing our thought is the only thing I have found that works to change our result. Changing your mindset may change the situation. If you catch a negative